One of the biggest supporters of Russian President Vladimir Putin is Dmitry Peskov, his press secretary. And when Vladimir Putin declares mobilization of 300,000 people in Russia, the Russian people is expecting that the sons of the main Russian politicians would be the first in service. But, think again. Russian journalists called the son of Dmitry Peskov impersonificating the Russian mobilization service. And the son of the main Russian warmonger doesn't even want to fight in a war that his daddy is calling special operation.
Аукционе Николай, сын Дмитрия Пескова.
Алло.
Здравствуйте, Николай.
Это кто?
Это военный комиссариат с вами разговаривает. Вы сейчас можете говорить?
Могу.
Добрый день. Да, давайте не будем швырять трубки, как это вы делали в прошлый раз. Значит, Николай, вопрос.
Зачем вы мне звоните, еще мне говорите, подождите?
Потому что, господин Николай Песков, я могу с вами так разговаривать. Значит, я почему вам звоню? Вам сегодня была отправлена повестка, в том числе и госуслуги, и на бумаге она к вам приходила, и вы пока еще не отозвались. А там был указан номер, по которому вы должны перезвонить, и завтра в 10 утра явиться в военный комиссариат. Во-первых, почему вы не перезвонили? Во-вторых, придете ли вы завтра в военный комиссариат? В 10 утра мы вас ждем.
Вы, 10 утра, естественно, завтра я не приеду.
Так.
Вы должны понимать, если вы знаете, что я господин Песков,
да.
Насколько это не совсем правильно, чтобы я там находился.
Угу.
Короче, я буду это решать я буду это решать на другом уровне, если это не надо.
And after the announcement of mobilization in Russia, the traffic jam at the border with Finland has piled up to 20 miles and is rising by the hour. It is the only border who is still open for Russian civilians with Schengen visas which are trying to escape before the draft. Some Western nations have suggested they will not provide asylum or refuge to people fleeing Russia after President Vladimir Putin announced a partial mobilization of reservists. Soon after, Latvia, which borders Russia, said it will not offer refuge to any Russians escaping Moscow's mobilization of troops. Latvian Foreign Minister Edgars Rinkevics wrote on Twitter, "Due to security reasons, Latvia will not issue humanitarian or other types of visas to those Russian citizens who avoid mobilization." Meanwhile, Finland's defense minister said it was closely monitoring the situation in neighboring Russia, adding there were grounds for tightening the country's visa policy for Russian citizens. More than 109 people were detained across Russia at protests against mobilization on Wednesday, a rights group said, hours after President Vladimir Putin ordered Russia's first military draft since World War II. The independent OVD Info protest monitoring group said it was aware of detentions in at least 15 different cities. Unsanctioned rallies are illegal under Russia's anti-protest laws.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.